Unpacking the phrase, "Suck it up," a guide to resilient English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or even in everyday conversation. The phrase is, "Suck it up." Understanding such phrases is not just about learning English, but also about grasping the cultural nuances that come with it. So, if you're ready, let's unravel the layers of meaning behind this interesting expression. The phrase, "suck it up," is a colloquial expression used to tell someone to accept a difficult or unpleasant situation without complaining. It's often used to encourage someone to deal with something tough or to get through a challenging task. The idea behind it is comparable to facing adversity with courage and not letting it defeat you. While the exact origin of "suck it up" is not crystal clear, it is commonly believed to be a military slang. It may have come from the idea of pilots using oxygen masks and needing to suck up the air, especially during tough situations. Over time, it has been adopted into everyday language to express the act of dealing with difficulty and moving forward. To understand how to use "suck it up" in everyday English, here are some examples. 1. I know the training is hard, but you've got to suck it up and keep going. 2. Yes, it's raining, and we forgot the umbrella, but we just have to suck it up and walk home. 3. He didn't like the job at first, but he decided to suck it up because it was a good opportunity. In these sentences, "suck it up" is used to convey the idea of enduring a situation or persevering despite discomfort. It's important to note that "suck it up" should be used carefully as it can sometimes come off as unsympathetic or harsh. It's suitable in situations where someone needs a push to overcome obstacles or to endure a situation temporarily. However, it's not appropriate for serious issues that require empathy and understanding. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, "suck it up." We hope this video has given you a better understanding of how and when to use this expression in English. Remember, language learning is about practice, patience, and exposure to different ways people communicate. Keep watching, keep learning, and until next time, don't forget to suck it up in your language learning journey. The rewards are worth it.